Hello everyone, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a new storage product to show you. This is the sealed storage box from Spellbinders. This little box is designed to help you organize and store your wax seals. Now, it can also be used for other things, and I will show you a couple of ideas in this video, but this is what the box is intended for. The box comes like this, so it is packaged in plastic, and the box itself is plastic. It opens up easily, and you have several compartments inside. Now, the dividers are removable, so you can customize the size of the compartments, and you can potentially place something bigger inside your box. I wanted to organize my wax seals because right now I have a bunch of them and they are just sitting on a shelf, and I don't really see what the wax seal design is because the wax seal design is facing down. In order for me to find the design that I want, I need to look through every single seal until I find the one that I want to use for my project. Now, wax seals have two parts to them. There is a metal part and a wooden handle, and you can separate the two. So you can unscrew the handle from the metal part. The handle is pretty universal. The Spellbinders handle will work with all Spellbinders wax seals. I don't know if it works with other brand wax seals. I don't have any to test, so I cannot tell you. But it works with all of the Spellbinders wax seals, so you can potentially have just a couple of handles. Maybe not one, but maybe several, 3 or 4 or 5 handles if you have like 20 wax seals. So you don't need to have a handle for every single seal. Now, in this storage box, you can either place your seals face down or face up. I found that I like to place them face up. This way, of course, I can see what the design is. But if you place them face down, it does make it easier to take them out of the box. And if you want to see what design it is, you just need to close your box and look at the designs from the bottom. For me, it made more sense to place the wax seals face up. Now, if I remove these two compartments or these two dividers, I now have one longer compartment to fit my handle. Now, this sealed storage box is great to help you organize your wax seals. If you have many different designs, you can organize them by theme or by collection or by size. Here, for example, I have an oval wax seal. This is the Be Joyful wax seal. It is from my upcoming Delightful Christmas collection with Spellbinders that is launching on July 10th. And as you can see, an oval seal fits here just perfectly. Now, Spellbinders is also planning to launch some other sizes or some other shapes, I should say, not sizes, shapes of wax seals. They are in their holiday catalog. There are some square wax seals and rectangle wax seals. I am not sure if those will fit in this box. I don't have any to test, but I will let you know once I get them. Now, there is a little hanger piece that you can use it to hang your box, maybe on a peg wall. If you have an IKEA peg wall, I have one and I love it. So that's another option how you can store this. I decided I needed to store my non-Christmas wax seals in this box because I do have a lot of the non-Christmas designs, and I know I will be using the Christmas designs pretty soon. So I brought in all of my wax seals and I looked through all of them and I sorted them by design. Now, I do plan to get a couple more boxes. I already ordered 2 additional boxes just to make sure I have room to organize and store all of my wax seals. Now, this box works not just for wax seal storage. You can also store other things in it. If you like going to crops, I think it would make a fantastic storage tool storage tool, to pop a couple of wax beads, maybe have some of the pre-made wax seals in there. You can even take out more of the dividers and store your specialty markers, the specialty gold and silver pens that Spellbinders has that you can use to highlight the wax seals. So you can create a little wax seal kit on the go. Now, when we were in Frankfurt, when I was in Frankfurt this January, or it was actually this February, so Spellbinders and I were at the Frankfurt Creative World show, we had this little storage tool. And this is how the team from Phoenix brought the wax seals to Frankfurt. So instead of carrying a bunch of wax seals with the wooden handles, they just unscrewed the metal parts, they popped them in this little box, and they brought just 1 or 2 handles with them to make it easier to carry, easier to transport. And of course, that made the wax seals lighter. So if you're traveling, this is the great option to travel with, a great way to pack your wax seals. So here I added some other wax seal colors. I popped in a couple of pens, and I have my little wax seal storage box ready. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find a link to the sealed storage box in my video description below. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time.